Hello, Donald. How are you? Hello, Edwin. I'm very well. Do you want to play good set with me? Okay, let's play. Okay, where is my notebook? Is on that? Yes. Where is my TV? Is on the wall of your room? Very good. Where is my bag? Is in the corner of the room? Oh, okay. Now where is my sofa? In the center of your room. Now is my turn. Is it okay? Tell me. Okay. Where is my cell phone? Is in front of your mirror? Okay. Where are your clothes? Is on the left side of your chair? Oh, okay. Very good. Where is my scissor? Is on your table? It was fun to play, but I have to go. Say with me, I had a lot of fun. See you later. See you soon. Goodbye.